This one, we have this crazy 9-sided polygon, and we want to know the measure of this angle. And the key to remember is, while we don't have a circle, if we look at all the angles making up this kind of like central angle here, these angles, because they sort of make up a circle, right? You could draw a circle around this. They sort of make up the central angle of a circle. We know these 9 angles must add up to 360 degrees, because that's how many degrees there are in the central angle of a circle. We have 9 congruent isosceles triangles, which means all of these angles are congruent. So if I'd like to find the measure of one of these angles, for example, this one, I can just go ahead and divide by 9. So 360 divided by 9 will give us 40 degrees. So I know this is 40. And now we know that these triangles are isosceles. So this side equals this side. But importantly for our case, so does this angle equal this angle. So we'll call this angle x as well. And I can create a little equation out of this, because I know my 3 angles, x, x, and 40, must add up to 180. So 2x would equal 140. And so finally, x is equal to 70. And that's it. As a bonus, you don't really 100% need this, but it could be useful to have in certain cases, is the formula for how many degrees there are in each of these interior angles of a regular polygon. And the formula is this. It's n minus 2, where n is the number of sides in the polygon, times 180 degrees, divided by n. The top part of this numerator, is actually the total number of degrees in the interior angles of this polygon. And if I go ahead and divide that by n, again, assuming this is a regular polygon, that will give me the number of degrees in one of these angles. So if we do that here, 9 minus 2 times 180 divided by 9. So it's going to be 7 times 180 divided by 9. So each of these bigger angles is 140 degrees. And then, since this is a regular polygon and there's some symmetry to all this, we know these angles have got to be equal. We know there are congruent isosceles triangles as well. And so that means each of them, again, we divide that 140 by 2 is 70. So you don't necessarily need this formula, but if you're looking for just some extra tricks that can help on certain questions, that could work. Either way, we get 70.